In this video, I'll show you how to enable location services on your Mac. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to subscribe and like the video. The steps are the same for Mac Mini, MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, and iMac. First, open Settings on your Mac. Now, scroll down and click on Privacy and Security. After that, click on Location Services. Here, turn on the Location Services toggle from the top. Now, enter your password or use your Touch ID. Now, location access will be enabled on your Mac. You can also scroll down and allow or disable location access for specific apps individually. And that's it. Location services are now enabled successfully on your Mac.